So you guys, I'll be going in with the 24-hour brow pomade by Kat Von D in the color walnut, and this is also their brush for your eyebrows as well. When doing your eyebrows, please make sure not to start at the very beginning. Start like about a couple of spots back so that it looks like it's faded and it doesn't look so harsh in the front. So now I'm going in with the Morphe small crease brush, and I'm going to use the Rimmel London Stay Matte Concealer to conceal her eyebrows. This is like a super light color for me, but for her it blended naturally for her. So now I'm going to go in with the Fierce by Nature 3503 palette, and I'm going to use that light shade to make it her transition shade. And I'm just going to put that on both lids. You want to be light with this color and not bring it up way too far, because then it's going to look too harsh. So now I'm going in with these two brown colors, but I'm not going to do it on both lids. I'm just going to show you on one just to cut the video down some. But this is me putting it on her lid right now. Make sure to go back and forth with your brushes just so you don't lose the top color. So right now, I'm about to cut her crease again with the Morphe crease brush. And I'm also going to use that Rimmel London Stay Matte Concealer to cut the crease. She has hooded eyes, like more of they're very small. So I had to get her to look up and then get her to place once she looked up, it would place it exactly where I needed to cut. So you guys, you don't want that cut crease to look so like harsh. Harsh has been the word I've been using this whole video. You don't want it to look harsh, so you're just going to take that, I guess I didn't show the shade, but it's like just a tad bit darker than the first shade I put down. And you're going to put that right on top of the crease just to kind of like blend it out and give it that pretty effect. Now I'm going in with the gold, and I'm going to put that at the end just to give it a little bit of shimmer. So now those browns that I used for the crease, I'm going to put that on the outer V of her eye, and I'm just going to deepen that up. So now I'm going in with the LA Color eyeliner in the color black. It is liquid, and I'm just going to go ahead and line her eyes. And because her eyes is hooded, I don't want her to look up and then the eyeliner gets on the top lid. So I'm just going to fan it once I'm done and let it dry. So now that I'm done wiping off all the glitter, I'm going to go in with the Stay Rimmel London concealer, the one that I use for her eyebrows. And I'm going to put that all in her T-zone. And then on the outer perimeter of her face, I'm going to go in with the Maybelline Fit Me in the color 330. And I'm going to put that on the outside of her face. So now I'm about to go in and set her concealer with the Sacha Buttercup setting powder. I love this, you guys. This is my favorite. I'm also using the Miracle Powder Beauty Blender by Real Techniques. Everyone should go out and purchase this. This is not sponsored, but you guys, this is a great beauty blender for powder. Now I'm going to use the Infallible Pro Matte Finishing Powder. I'll leave the color on the screen or even in the description box, and I'm just going to contour her face with that just because that's a nice like bronze for her. I'm going in right now with the PYT Beauty highlighter in the color Front Row, you guys. For darker skin, I think it is a little ashy, but for her skin, it did just right. So now I'm just gonna add a few beauty marks, and you guys, that is pretty much it. This is one of my looks. I don't even know what to call this. This is like a, I don't even know what to call this, but you guys, I'll leave a title below. If you guys want to see more videos like this, please stay tuned, like, subscribe, comment, share with your friends. You guys, we're on the road to 10K right now. That's my goal this year. Let's get to it. Yeah, see you guys in my next video.